Hey guys, how are you? I'm Jila's Wrestler. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy about this video and how it turned out, like how this whole thing turned out. I'm really happy. So I am doing a painting on a guitar bag, which I have done like multiple times on t-shirt, pants, shoes. I'll put the photos right here. I think so this thing really turned out good. It's all about dreamy art. This is quite a famous art and it's not originally done by me. I just took an inspiration from internet and I did it, and I think it turned out really good. I didn't want it to be all over the bag. I just wanted it to be in a particular area. It's like a canvas, so I will be showing you that painting. Wait. So this is the painting I did and I'm really happy how it turned out. Yeah. So if you want to see how I made this video, please keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel so that I know that you guys are watching me and supporting me, so that I get motivated to post every single week. Please do that, subscribe to my channel, please thumbs up, and also please comment or message me anything that like that, so that I know that you guys love watching me or something like that. Painting is something I love doing. I always wanted to do in my future, so please do subscribe to my channel for more arts and more DIY stuff.
I'll look around until I found someone.
We will be starting from here.
Who laughs like you.
Thank you for watching. Can you see the lights?